Good morning, everyone. Today I'm back to preparing for the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and I probably have these all out of order, but it didn't matter because I've been skipping around anyway. But this is day 15, and it looks like I need 2 or 3 papers. And I am using Minte's Mamarazzi, and I'm really just using I only had like this, I only bought the paper that I used the last time that I used it, and some of the embellishments. And because I just didn't buy it at the time because I thought I didn't really need it, except for I loved this paper. And then whatever else I bought, which I can't remember because it's been quite a while, probably 2022. And anyhow, I'm going to use this for sure. I might use some of this. And I gotta tell you, I love that blue. It's like one of my favorite blues. And then I brought in a white just in case I needed that also. Sometimes when I look at the sketch, it's like I might be a little bit off, and then it's like I'm looking at it again later, and underneath the lights, it's like, okay, do I need a third paper? I'm not sure, but I thought I'm gonna bring a yellow or a white in. I was looking at the yellow. I'm gonna bring a white in. I could use a yellow, but I probably wouldn't go that dark. I'd probably use a lighter. And I have the embellishments, which are not very many. I must have used a lot of them the first time. And it has cameras and flowers and the film strip and this, what is it, like a negative type thing. And then, just in case I don't have enough flowers, I brought in Flora Book 6 for some of these red flowers. So, and maybe I'd use some of the white ones. So that's what I have for day 15. I'm gonna bring in my divider paper. And I still have a Santa here from the one day that I had the Christmas papers out and I forgot to put them in. And I know I forgot to show him. But he's gonna be in whatever day the Christmas one was. Okay, and now day 20, I'm going to be using the baby girl and probably one of the storks or this baby here. And the papers I'm using are, I brought a white, let me see how many papers I think I need. 1, 2, 3 to 4 papers. So I've got 4 papers with this white, and I might bring in a soft yellow if I can find one. I'll tell you, I was in there looking for a soft yellow, and I'm gonna have to look maybe in a different place because they sure weren't in my yellow section, but because I kept looking for one. So I've got this one with the words like snuggle, baby face, giggle, sweet, pitter patter, this pink, and then this, oh, and this first one it's by Pebbles Ink. So I don't know if it's the same Pebbles that's still making paper today, or she's not making paper today, but so those two. This one's called Baby Girl Dots, and this is called Baby Girl Words. Are they from the same collection? I don't know. And then I have this one. It's from Echo Park Botanical Garden, and that's black on this side, which definitely will not be used this time. But I thought this worked really well with it, and I was trying to find a solid to go with it. So that's what I'm using. So you can imagine that I'm probably doing a baby girl. Okay. And oh, I keep moving the one front thing. Okay. Now this one here is for day 5, and let's see. I don't know if I actually need more than one paper. I'm just not sure. I mean, more than 2 papers. So do I have a white here? Yeah, because I'm thinking I might need a white. But I brought in this crystal paper, and the back is wood, and it's by Asuka, and it's weathered wood and crystals. And remember, I told you that before I used the crystal, and I never thought I would. But this is the perfect color. And then I have glitter paper, and I know that's kind of hard to look at because it's hard for me to look at. And I have a white, and so I'm really excited about doing this one too. I mean, I'm really excited about doing all of them. And I'm going to die cut some embellishments, and then I have another embellishment that was in Happy Mail that I received. And so I will be using this. And I meant to show you everyone the Happy Mail, but I haven't got to that yet. You know, I got all behind having that laryngitis. Okay, so that's day 15, no, day 5. I don't even know what I said the first time. Did I say 5 or 15? It's day 5. Okay, then we have day 12. And for day 12, I'm going to use Minte's Joy of Life. And I'm going to be using this floral, this sweater, and this floral with the bluebirds. So let me show you these just because they're so gorgeous, and if you haven't seen them for a long time. Because I have to look at them. Sometimes I look at them and go, oh no, I can't use that side. But I can use all these, and this one's got the things there. I think I've only done 1 or 2 layouts with this. I haven't done too many with it, but it is beautiful. In fact, I obviously did not cut out all the embellishments, so I'll have to do that, or at least what I think I need. And I do have some cut here. I might have bought an extra embellishment, or they call them elements, extra element page. Okay, so that's gonna take 3 papers, it looks like. And did I put in a white with that too? I think I might have put in a white also. Now I have to bring it out and look, because I think I might need a white with it. No. Okay, but if I need a white, I'll get that at the time. Okay, can't wait to work on that one either. Okay, and then I'm also pulling out another baby girl. And this one, let's see, it looks like I'll need 2 papers and some scraps, or in this case I do have, actually, do I have 3 or do I have 4? I think I actually have 4 papers here. So I have 4 papers, but I could actually use scraps if I have, you know, the right amount of colors or whatever. And this one, oh, we do have 2-sided paper. Oh, so if I cut this one, I could just use that as extra. Okay, and then I have the embellishment that I made for the swap, and then these other things here, and some embellishments that I received from the swap. So those will be coming in handy. Yes, I won't be probably using all of those, but you just never know. Never know. It's, you know, a lot of days before day 16. Who knows what I might change. I might go, oh, I've got to use every piece of paper. Okay. And then this one here, this is day 24, and it's apple season. And I think I did one layout with this, and it might have been a double page layout when Alex was making, she was making something for her birthday. And so, because it had all the rolling pins and stuff in it. So, I know I at least did one page, but it might have been 2 pages. And this one here is a double page layout. And so I believe I need 2 and 2, and then I think I need another, oh yeah, and then I need another piece, which I thought I'm gonna put this in. It's small. I mean, I could use part of this, or I could use this. I don't know if this just looks too strong after this looks pretty subtle. So I would just use something out of here. Or maybe, because I will probably gut something, and then I could always use that too. But this is Minte's apple season, if I didn't say it. And these are the back sides of those papers. They're just so beautiful. But I gotta say, these soft, I don't even know if, are they blue, are they turquoise? I mean, they're just so beautiful. Love them. It's kind of a bluish green, I guess. Okay, and so I put this in just so I would see them in case I wanted some bigger embellishments from here, if I had used whatever I wanted from here already. And looks like I already made some little flags. Okay, so that's day 24. Okay, oh, that is the last one. I was gonna pull over the other one because I have it sitting here. It's actually my collection obsession, because I've already got 2 set aside with the collection obsession, but I don't want to show you that until the 1st. So I'll have to pull them out of my bags that day to get them out. But so that's it for today, and I will be back tomorrow with the rest. So I will be done tomorrow. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.